Hey guys, thanks for checking out today's video. My name is Jacob and this is part of my photography tips and tricks series. So today I'm talking about the rule of thirds and what it means for us as photographers. So what is the rule of thirds? Well, the rule of thirds is basically this rule in art and photography where you take the frame of an image and you sort of split it up vertically into three sections like this. And then you also split it kind of horizontally on each line that kind of separates your frame into thirds. So you kind of have these 9 boxes that your frame is split up into. And in general, obviously all of these rules are there as guidelines, but they're meant to be broken, and you can use your artistic freedom and expression to kind of break these rules by choice. But you can place your subject on these thirds lines to add a little bit more dynamic feel to your image, and it also helps your viewer kind of direct their eyes to one side or the other. So say you're shooting a landscape, and maybe you're shooting a landscape of a lake. Maybe you want to put the horizon line on the lower third, and then you have 2/3 of that image that are going to be sky and trees. Or maybe you're shooting a sports photo and you have a runner going by. Maybe you're going to place that runner on that third line of that frame to show off the 2/3 of the frame where you have a trail kind of leading up to that. So using the rule of thirds is a good way to just kind of get a feel for how to compose an image. And obviously you can really experiment with this, and as I said before, these rules are there as guidelines but meant to be broken. And if you have any questions at all, please do drop a comment below and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. And if you want to see more of this stuff, you can subscribe to the channel and check out my tips and tricks playlist on my channel if you want to see more photography tips. And I hope you're all doing well and having fun learning with your cameras, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace out for now.